Hey guys, my name is Aman Muleva, bearing the USM 1VE21IS003, and today my topic is on fundamental rights from Article 14 to 19. Content. Introduction. Article 14, Right to Equality. Article 15, Prohibition of discrimination. Article 16, Equality of opportunity in public employment. Article 17, Abolition of untouchability. Article 18, Abolition of titles. Article 19, Right to freedom. And conclusion. Introduction. Welcome to this presentation on fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution. Today, we will be discussing the significance of Article 14 to 19 and their roles in ensuring a just and equitable society. Fundamental rights are the basic rights that every citizen is entitled to, regardless of their background and social status. These rights form the foundation of our democracy and are enshrined in the Indian Constitution. Article 14 to 19 specifically deal with right to equality, prohibition of discrimination, equality of opportunity in public employment, abolition of untouchability, abolition of titles, and right to freedom. These articles ensure that every citizen has equal access to opportunities and protection under the law. Article 14, Right to Equality. The right to equality as enshrined in Article 14 of the Indian Constitution is a fundamental right that ensures fairness and justice in society. It guarantees that every citizen is equal before the law and prohibits discrimination on the grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. This right is essential in upholding the principles of democracy and ensuring that all individuals are given equal opportunities. For instance, it ensures that everyone has access to education, employment, and other public services without any discrimination. The right to equality also plays a crucial role in promoting social harmony and eliminating prejudices based on caste, gender, and religion. Article 15, Prohibition of discrimination. Article 15 of the Indian Constitution is a crucial right that ensures that discrimination on the basis of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth is prohibited. This article guarantees every citizen of India the right to equality before the law and equal protection of the law without any discrimination. The significance of Article 15 can be seen in several landmark cases where it has been upheld by the Indian legal system. For example, in the case of Indira Swahane v. Union of India, the Supreme Court upheld the constitutional validity of reservations for the socially and educationally backward classes under Article 15.4 and 16.4. This ensured the affirmative action was taken to address historical injustice and promote social equality. Article 16, Equality of opportunity in public employment. Article 16 of the Indian Constitution enshrines the right to equality of opportunities in public employment. This means that every citizen has the right to be considered for a job in the public sector solely based on their merit and qualifications, without any discrimination based on their caste, religion, gender, or place of birth. This right is crucial in ensuring fair and impartial recruitment processes, and it helps to prevent nepotism and corruption in the public sector. It also promotes diversity and inclusivity in the workplace, which can lead to a better decision making and more innovative solution to problems. Article 17, Abolition of Untouchability. Article 17 of the Indian Constitution is a significant provision that abolished the practice of untouchability in India. This right ensures that no citizen can be discriminated against on the grounds of caste or social status. The practice of untouchability has been prevalent in India for centuries, and it has resulted in an exclusion and marginalization of certain communities. However, the Indian legal system has taken several steps to uphold this right and ensure that those who violate it are brought to justice. For example, in 2018, a court in Uttar Pradesh convicted 5 people for forcing a Dalit family to eat human extractor. This landmark judgment sent a strong message that such acts of discrimination will not be tolerated in India. Article 18 Abolition of titles. Article 18 of Indian Constitution enshrines that right to abolition of titles. This means that no citizen can be granted any title by the state, which includes titles like Sir, Dame, etc. The idea behind this right is to ensure that all citizens are treated equally and there is no hierarchy based on titles or honorifics. The importance of this right lies in the fact that it promotes a sense of equality among all citizens, irrespective of their social status or background. It also ensures that the government cannot use titles as a means to confer privileges on certain individuals or groups. This right has been upheld in several cases where the government has attempted to grant titles to individuals or organizations. Article 19 Right to Freedom. The right to freedom, as enshrined in Article 19 of Indian Constitution, is a fundamental right that guarantees citizens the freedom of speech and expression, assembly, association, movement, and occupation. This right is essential in ensuring that individuals have the ability to express themselves freely and engage in activities that are important to them without fear of prosecution. For example, this right has been instrumental in enabling citizens to voice their opinion on social and political issues, organize peaceful protests and demonstrations, and pursue careers and professions of their choice. Without the right to freedom, individuals would be unable to exercise their agencies and contribute in the growth and development of the society. Conclusion. In conclusion, the fundamental rights enshrined in the Indian Constitution plays a crucial role in ensuring a just and equitable society. These rights are not mere words on paper but have been upheld and fought for the citizen and activities alike. As we have seen, Article 14 to 19 guarantee important rights such as equality, prohibition of discrimination, freedom of speech and expression, and abolition of untouchability and titles. It is our duty to respond as responsible citizens to value and uphold these rights in our daily lives. We must also recognize that the fight for these rights is an ongoing one. There are still instances where these rights are violated, and it is up to us to speak out against such injustice and work together and for a more equal and just society. Thank you.